Welcome to room 15. My name's Mrs. Boring, but as you can tell, I'm not boring. Today, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about Schoology. I'm going to take these off. All right. So for my courses, when you hit courses, you're going to go to homeroom. Okay, under the homeroom, we have assignments right at the top here that the kids could complete. There's also my Bitmoji classroom that my wonderful student teacher made for me. And it's just kind of something fun you can look at. As we go down, you'll see all the different buttons. There's the homeroom button, there's the reading button, the math button. The working from home is our Zoom meeting. We have art and music, gym. This disco button just is kind of our brain breaks, the news flash, and after lunch. Okay, so when we go to those, if I say that there is an activity in reading, the kids are going to go to this blue button that has reading. They'll be able to just click on it. And it's going to take them to, here I have a lot of published and unpublished things, but anything right up at the top is the assignment that they're going to do. And of course, I would tell them what the name of the assignment is. Okay, then we can just go back down to our buttons. Same thing for math. When we click on it, there's going to be upcoming quizzes. There's also our math room. This has all the different manipulatives in it. So say that we're using counters and your child can't find their counters. They could come and click on the counters. It's going to take you over here. And the kids can use this as a tool. And I forgot, in the reading room, we also have our reading library. Never mind, I moved that. I apologize. I moved that to after lunch. So also there's specials. There's the art, there's the music, and gym. That's where the kids will go in the morning or when they have the specials in the afternoon, depending on the day. Here is our brain break button. Okay, our brain break button connects them to Go Noodle, and they can click on any of the characters here, and it's going to take them to a video to give their brain a break. And then here under the news flash is anything that the parents need to know. Okay, and right now I just have the daily schedule listed up there, but check that weekly. If you want to, a couple times a week just to see. I will try to say if there's anything on there that I post. The black button that your kids probably keep telling you, after lunch, I have to hit the black button. That's our after lunch activity. So in our after lunch activity, we will have the CKLA reading link, which we're going to be starting soon. Right now, the kids log into iReady. They're doing 15 minutes, and then they are to do 15 minutes in the first grade Math Arcade. Here it is, not in the math button like I thought. And the library, it is not in the reading one. It is in the after lunch. Here, the kids can, in the library, there's different slides. They can go to any of the different ones. Pick a book to read, just click on the link, it's going to read it to them. And up here for the Math Arcade, there's lots of different games for practicing. So here it says, click on the arcade to get the game started. Here we go. And here are counting to 20 games. Then there's an arrow. Technology is not my strong point. Counting to 20. Why won't this work? There we go. All right. And then we have more counting to 20. Let's see. Addition and subtraction. And last but not least, the place value. So your children will just get lots of practice that way. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email is jboring@eriesd.org. All right, have a great day.